Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Among Us on PC. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly install and start playing Among Us in your PC. Well, this one is quite simple. What do you need to do? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and just download a platform where you can install Among Us. So in this case, we'll be installing or using Steam. The platform, which in this case you could actually get free games at sometimes, but also get games for cheap. So in this case, you want to go open up any browser here, just type in Steam. You want to access store.steampower.com, or you could go and just type in their website in order for you to access them directly. Now, once you've done that, all we need to do next is you want to go ahead and click on Install Steam at the top right here, and you'll be able to download the .exe file. Go ahead and click on Install Steam, run the .exe file, and just proceed with the installation. Now, once you have that installed, you want to go and click on Sign In at the top right here. Go and scroll down a bit here and click on Create an Account if you don't have an account yet for Steam. Now, you just need to fill out the necessary details here. Proceed with creating your account, and once you've done that, go ahead and open up the installed Steam app. And once you are logged in, this is what you should be seeing. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and click on the search the store here and just type in Among Us. Press enter. And you should be able to see Among Us. And the great thing about this one is they have different versions of Among Us, like Among Us 3D. They also have Among Us VR and The Wolf Among Us, and different games similar to Among Us. But if you just want to get the game here, you can go and just click on it. And you should be able to start buying the game. Now, the thing with this one is, since the game is free on mobile devices, it's not free on the PC, so you need to pay around $3 to $4 in order for you to start playing it. But yeah, you can go and just click on Add to Cart, click on View My Cart, and from here, click on Continue to Payment and provide the payment details or the payment information here in order for you to start playing the game. Now, once you have paid for the game, usually at the very last screen or last page of the screen here, you should be able to see the option that says Install Content or Install Game. Go and just click on it and just install the game into your PC. But just in case that doesn't actually pop up, you want to go and click on Library. And you want to go and look for the game that you want to install, maybe Among Us. You want to go and right click on it, click on Install. And once it's actually installed, you can go and just click on that game and click on the play button here that you should be able to see on your screen. And that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.